Hello everyone, I am Jyoti Yadav presenting you articles from Kendriya Vidyalaya number 2, Halwara through this week. Let's continue. I am going to teach you article here. The article we have, mainly we have three articles, that is a, an and the, the. So a and an, they both have different criteria on which they work, and the has its unique way of to used in the sentences in English grammatically. So if we talk about only a and the, they have certain qualities that may be inversely proportionate to each other, but the has its own unique feature of using it. We will discuss all of them one by one, but before that let's first discuss what are articles actually. So here we have article in the proper definition. An article is a word that is used before a noun to show whether the noun refer to something specific or not. मतलब we have to show that the noun, that is the naming word we use to introduce our primary students as the noun naming words, the name of anything, place, animal, thing, whatever it is, the name of a thing basically. So when we show we use articles to identify something through the naming word, it is specific or not. We use a and the articles before the word, before the letter, to show its specificness or not. So let's continue with the letter A and the are called articles. Articles help define noun as specific or non-specific, that we have discussed earlier through the definition, and the defines a noun as specific. यहाँ पे मैंने आपको बताया था a and the, जो a और n होगा, a and n. My voice should be clear because it is a kind of a Anupriya Salanka type of thing, but you should identify it here that a and the. So a and an both does not shows the specificness of a certain thing. We use them as per their their identity or their marking format, but the specifically used to show a noun as a specific noun. We used the in front of a noun to show that it is something very specific related to something personally and something very united form, that is famous, like the river, the Ganga, the newspaper, the Prime Minister, the Narendra Modi, the things which are extremely famous and known to everyone. We use the. So we use the with the specific terms only. An articles defines noun as specific and non-specific, which in which term we already done with the. We always, I am just recapitulating this, the is used with the specific nouns like the name of rivers, mountains, states, countries, and famous personalities, eminent personalities you can say, or the famous school, the Kendriya Vidyalaya we can say. So the is used with the specific things, specific personalizations, and a and an is used as per the sound of the noun. So I am saying the sound, dhwani. In English we call dhwani, swar, ठीक है, and English we call vowels, a, I, e, o, u. We all know these. But what is the difference here is that in English there are not all the letter for all the words. English में हर sound के लिए letter नहीं है, but in Hindi we have. So if we connect articles with the Hindi dhwanis, we would be able to identify articles properly. So in the next class we will learn about them. Thank you.